Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be answering a question today about computers. Is a HP Pavilion P6 2302A still worth it in 2025? Well, let's dive into it. HP Pavilion P6 2302A was a desktop computer created by HP in 2012. Today this computer is a whopping 13 years old, and a fun fact, I was using it last year. Computer used an AMD A10 5700 3.4 GHz processor motherboard, two 4GB sticks of DDR3 RAM, a terabyte HDD with a Blu-ray media player system integrated with it, a NVIDIA GeForce GT 630 graphics card with 2GB on it, AMD Radeon HD 7660D CPU. It started out on a 64-bit Windows 8. These specifications are far underperforming compared to today's computers. From my experience, this computer is not built for gaming. You can see that in my older PC videos. Firstly, the GeForce GT 630 GPU expired in 2017. However, if you continue to care for the computer, such as cleaning and adding thermal paste to the CPU, you may expect slightly cleaner results. The startup time was the worst, with it being a 10-minute startup time. This could be from its age or component, but this was from my PC at the time, compared to modern computers, which turn on in about less than 15 seconds. Frames per second was self-explanatory as seen in gaming. For example, SCP Secret Laboratory would run on about 3 FPS, while a small performance-friendly game, Roblox, would average out at about 30 FPS. The price of a computer today is hard to find, as they are rare to see nowadays. The only person I could see selling it was someone doing it for $65 Australian dollars. Upgrading the computer might be hard to do, since all the components are old. They might not pick up the newer components added. If you were going to upgrade it, it would be best to do it all at once. It just came to the end of the video, so let's summarize what we did. We covered the specifications, the shocking startup time, frames per second, price, date of creation, and upgrade problems. So let's answer the question of, is a HP Pavilion P6 2302A still worth it in 2025? The answer is no. Personally, I would not buy this computer again, as it is hard to find and is aging. If you are going to get the computer, I would highly suggest to use it for work, where you could use heavy downloads with, as you have a terabyte hard drive. This could be office work or just a family computer. If you want to do gaming, then I recommend investing in newer parts for it, unless you play smaller games which computer can handle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That's a really weird video I just did. Hopefully you like and subscribe, because that was actually the first video I've actually done on a script, reading a script which I made. So, see you again.